Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan and you're watching my WWE 2K19 Woo Edition unboxing. So first of all, just to get this out of the way, getting it from Game in the UK came with an exclusive steel book. So the steel, of course the game will still be within the box, but having the steel case is nice. It's solid and got your cover star, got your special edition character, your two pre-orders, and of course a showcase mode character. So yeah, that's a nice little case to start us off. Really solid steel. And then next, of course, the main event, the game. So just straight away, I love the box, like all the portraits and whatnot. We have, oh it's slipping, we've got Rick and Charlotte there, and then we've just got a couple of Ricks here and here, and then a whole lot more Rick here, and then of course Rick on the front, and then on the back it's got all the details, but let's not talk about details, let's open the box. Again, I said that off and now it's all the same things, but now we've also revealed there is more to the back. This time also with Charlotte and I believe it was the Divas Championship, yes. And of course more Rick. And then we open it up. Yes. So I'll just put this down for a minute and we will take a look at this, which by the size of it, I will guess is the Hall of Fame ring.
Apologies. There we go. So
this box just doesn't want to open. There we go. A little bit of damage off it, but this isn't the important box. This is the important box straight away. The feel of that is so nice. Will you marry me? I don't know. Look at that. Oh. Oh. Is it just... Oh. That is lovely. We have... Focus please. I don't know if it wants to. We have WWE 2K19 logo, Ric Flair autograph, flip it over. We have Hall of Fame 2018, of course. Again, I don't know if it'll want to focus. I'll hold it there. There we go. So yeah, that's bloody beautiful that. Of course I'm not actually going to wear it, this will be going back in its box. But yeah, that's solid quality, nice ring. So we'll put this back in its beautiful box. So we have the Hall of Fame ring, that's ticking us off. And then the next thing I can see, bring the box back up, we have the game. Yeah, it's the game. Of course, I won't be using this box, I'll be putting it in the steel case, but yeah, I don't really want, it's the game. So it's next. We have supercard codes. What's this that has fallen? This will be the plaque, won't it? So that's the box empty. So let's open this. Again, I believe this will be the plaque that was coming with it. Please don't cause me more trouble of opening boxes. There we go. Yes, ooh. Straight away, I'll get all the plastic, but that looks really nice. tether into that. So yeah, that is the Ric Flair plaque that comes with it. We see his nice pink robe there, a piece of the pink robe. As worn by the legend himself, it says. So that looks really good. And I believe now we come on to the final thing, which is the Funko Pop. Now, I am a Funko Pop collector. I will not be taking him from his box, so I will try and do my best to show him to you. So yeah, that's a good looking figure for what you can see. WWE 2K19 exclusive, and then on the back it's your regular ones for the collections, and then more Rick on the side, Rick on the top, Ric Flair. Yeah, I guess it's just a quick one. That's the unboxing. We have the pop, the plaque, the Hall of Fame ring, and of course the game and the game exclusive steelbook. So yeah, let's just game. Steelbook. Pop figure. Plaque. And the ring. So yeah, just a nice quick unboxing video for WWE 2K19's Woo Edition. Thanks for watching. As I say, I've now opened up a Patreon, link in the description. Right now I have one Patreon, so thank you to Kirsty who supports my Patreon. Her Twitter and blog will be in the description if you want to check that out. And her blog is a definite, you must check it out. She reviews Defiant Wrestling. She was reviewing WS Wrestling when that was on. And she also reviews her local wrestling promotions, as well as interviewing other wrestlers. She's interviewed a couple of wrestlers, I believe, and hopefully there's a lot more. Again, check out that blog in the description. Check out Patreon in the description if you'd like to join me there. Thank you, and bye!